You double-click a PDF and nothing happens, or Adobe Reader starts but the file refuses to load. Maybe you see an error message saying the file is damaged or not supported. Whatever the symptom, your PDF is trapped and Adobe won't cooperate. This is one of the most common PDF problems, and it usually has a simple fix. Here are 7 methods to get your files opening again, starting with the quickest solutions. Method 1. Update Adobe Reader to the latest version. Outdated software is the #1 cause of PDFs failing to open. Adobe releases updates constantly to fix compatibility issues and bugs. Open Adobe Reader. Click Help in the top menu, select Check for Updates. If an update is available, install it and restart the program. Try opening your PDF again. This single step fixes the problem about 40% of the time. Method 2. Repair your Adobe Reader installation. Sometimes program files become corrupted without you realizing. Adobe has a built-in repair function that fixes this automatically. Open Adobe Reader, go to Help, then select Repair Installation. Wait for the process to complete, restart your computer, then try opening the PDF again. If repair does not work, uninstall Adobe Reader completely. Download a fresh copy from adobe.com/reader and install it again. A clean installation often resolves stubborn issues that repair cannot fix. Method 3. Disable Protected Mode. Protected Mode is a security feature that sometimes blocks legitimate PDF files from opening. Turning it off temporarily can restore access to your documents. Open Adobe Reader. Go to Edit, then Preferences. Select Security in Enhanced from the left panel. Uncheck the box that says Enable Protected Mode at Startup. Click OK and restart Adobe Reader. Try opening your problem PDF now. If it works, you know Protected Mode was the culprit. You can leave it disabled or re-enable it and add specific folders as trusted locations instead. Method 4. Clear the Adobe Reader cache. Corrupted temporary files can prevent PDFs from loading properly. Clearing the cache forces Adobe to rebuild these files fresh. Close Adobe Reader completely. Press Windows key plus R to open the Run dialog. Type %, and press Enter. Navigate to Adobe, then Acrobat. Delete the cache folder inside. Restart Adobe Reader and try again. Method 5. Check your file associations. Windows might have changed which program opens PDF files. If another application claimed the PDF file type, Adobe Reader never gets the chance to try. Right-click on any PDF file. Select Open With, then choose another app. Select Adobe Reader from the list. Check the box that says Always use this app to open PDF files. Click OK. Now double-clicking any PDF will send it directly to Adobe Reader instead of another program that might not handle it properly. Method 6. Try opening the PDF differently. Sometimes the problem is how you're trying to open the file, not the file itself. Instead of double-clicking, open Adobe Reader first. Then go to File, then Open, and browse to your PDF manually. This bypasses any file association or shell extension problems. You can also try dragging the PDF file directly onto the Adobe Reader window, or right-click the PDF, select Open With, and choose Adobe Reader specifically. If the file opens using one of these methods, but not by double-clicking, you have a Windows shell integration problem rather than a PDF problem. Method 7. Test the PDF in another reader. If nothing else works, the problem might be the PDF itself, rather than Adobe Reader. Try opening the file in a different program. Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, Foxit Reader, and Sumatra PDF can all handle PDF files. If the file opens in another reader, you can often use Save As to create a fresh copy that Adobe Reader will accept. If no program can open the file, the PDF itself is likely corrupted. You will need to re-download it from the original source or use a PDF repair tool to recover the contents. Before trying these fixes, always make sure you have downloaded the PDF completely. Partial downloads from interrupted connections are a common cause of files that refuse to open. Check that the file size matches what you expected and try downloading again if you are unsure. Most PDF opening problems come down to outdated software, corrupted cache files, or security settings that are too aggressive. For more detailed technical guides, visit us at mrgrid.io